See, when I did, because I did business and finance, okay, I've not always done this for a living. I worked in the city for a big corporate company, and I got made redundant, but my dad used to make shoes and my grandfather made shoes. So I knew from the very early, I don't know how to make shoes, but I can do a lot of things that ordinary cobblers can't do. And I said to my dad, I'm not going to work for anyone, I'm going to go and do my own thing. He said, what are you going to do? And I told him, and my dad was furious with me. But I proved him wrong. They want their kids to be doctors and professionals and what have you, what have you. Well, it's not for everybody. I gave it a crack, you know, and I was very successful at what I did before. In fact, in 2007, there was an article in a paper about me saying that I was one of the top 4 shoe repairers in the whole of London in the Evening Standard. Yes, that's my claim to fame. But for me now, it's time to move on.